Panoorin niyo ito mga idol, 4 times pinabagsak ni Magsayo ang Latino champion.
So, obviously mixed. Oh.
Mark Magsayo Magnifico.
Fighting out of the fight capital of the world, Las Vegas, Nevada, Andres Cortez!
Usapang bakbakan, di magpapahuli pag may bagong laban.
Isa sa pinakamalaking laban ang masisilayan ng mga Pinoy boxing fans ay itong pagbabalik sa pandaigdigang entablado ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo, isang WBC featherweight world champion. May 29 na panalo, 19 dito ay knockout, at 2 pagkatalo lamang. Ngunit ang Magsayo na makikita natin ngayon ay mas mabilis, mas eksplosibo at mas mapanganib kaysa noon. Kapag nakakita siya ng puwang, hindi niya kailangang magdalawang isip. Dahil sa isang mabilis na atake, maaari niyang tapusin ang buong laban. Ito ang kanyang ipinakita sa huling pagsabak niya sa Zuffa Boxing, kung saan hindi nakaligtas si Fergal McCrory. Sa ika-5 round, pinatigil ni Magsayo ang laban at muling ipinakita na buhay pa rin ang kanyang knockout power. Pero ngayon, isang walang talong mandirigma ang haharang sa kanyang pagbabalik. Si Andres Cortez, Tubong Nevada, Amerika, may 25 panalo, 13 rito ay knockout at wala pang kahit isang pagkatalo. Hawak niya ang WBC at WBO Intercontinental titles at napatunayan na rin niyang kaya niyang pabagsakin ang isang boksingerong Pilipino. Dahil isa sa kanyang mga naging biktima si Genesis Servania, isang laban na tinapos niya agad sa unang round. Kaya malinaw ang panganib, hindi lamang basta kalaban ang makakaharap ni Magsayo. Isa itong undefeated champion na gustong manatiling walang talo. Ngunit bago dumating ang kanilang paghaharap, balikan muna natin ang gabing ipinakita ni Magsayo kung gaano kabigat ang kanyang mga kamao. Ang kalaban niya noon ay ang matipunong si Brian Mercado. Naganap ang kanilang sagupaan sa Thunder Studios sa Long Beach, California, Amerika. Sa unang tunog pa lamang ng bell, agad nang sumugod si Magsayo. Walang mahabang pakiramdaman, walang sinayang na oras. Sunod-sunod niyang pinakawalan ang malalakas na suntok. At sa bawat tama, makikita sa mukha ni Mercado na ramdam niya ang lakas ng Pinoy.
That left hand. So, Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, as if to say, I want to early.
With that left hand. So, Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to show my skills to the world once again.
So that beautiful setup right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dressing room. And that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. So that beautiful setup right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. He said, I can't overreach, I can't lunge in, and he's starting to do that. He's got to set up his punches with that jab.
Extend. I agree with you. Don't get caught extending. You never know what this man has. Counter puncher could sit down on something and wait for you to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go. I mean, amongst y'all, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. We look at the stars.
Almost got him there with that left, and Brian Mercado, he's ready. I mean, let's remember and let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Kermel Moten. But Moten came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moten, obviously a great prospect from Mayweather Promotions, and obviously he said, no, I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over. So here he is. That was November 30th, and Brian is ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight. That's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people, coming over.
I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Brian said, nope, I'm not taking the fight. And here he is. Ooh, speed, power. He's got it. He's letting his hands go. Beautiful body shot right there.
Magsayo's cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him.
Pagkatapos, isang mabigat na suntok sa katawan ang tumama. Bagsak si Mercado. Nagawa pa niyang tumayo. Ngunit hindi pa tapos si Magsayo.
Shot to the body.
Dropped his mouthpiece. That's experience right there. A better move to catch some air to gain. He dropped his mouthpiece. That's experience right there. A better move to catch some air to gain, opportunity to recover a little.
Makalipas ang ilang sandali, isang malakas na kaliwa ang muling nagpatumba sa kalaban. Naligtas lamang si Mercado nang tumunog ang bell.
And they seem to be upset about something. I'm looking at Brandon
They're probably talking about the mouthpiece that he spent, but
I'm looking at Brandon
they're probably talking about the mouthpiece that he spent, but here he is again, Magsayo.
Pero pagsapit ng ikalawang round, wala nang ligtas na pupuntahan. Muling pinuntirya ni Magsayo ang katawan ng kanyang kalaban. Isang suntok, sinundan pa ng isa, hanggang sa bumigay na naman ang matipunong si Mercado.
referee. I think he's getting ready to call it.
Bagsak sa canvas. At sa pagkakataong iyon, dito na tinapos ng Pinoy ang kanyang paghihirap. Itinigil ng referee ang laban. Knockout sa ikalawang round. Isang mabilis at malupit na pagtatapos mula kay Mark Magsayo. Isang malinaw na babala sa mag-champion sa division. Ano masabi niyo sa pagbabalik ni Magsayo? Kaya pa ba niya mag-world champion? Ilagay ang inyong sagot sa baba at isama rin ang inyong lugar para makita natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng sambayanang Pilipino para kay Mark Magnifico. Magsayo sa kanyang malaking laban kontra kay Andres Cortez sa Amerika.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.
World champion na si Luis Neri.